Welcome everybody. In this video, I will share some information on Library Information System and Network. Total video will be covered into two parts. Part 1 will cover NISCAIR, DESIDOC, SENDOC, ENVIS, INFLIBNET, DELNET, NICNET, Arnet, and part 2 will be covered Aimlis, ERNET, INSPEC, MedLarts, BIOSys, ERIC, OCLC and Arlin. So friends, watch this video till the end, and if you enjoy it, kindly give me like and share this video to your friends. Don't forget to subscribe this channel Aimlis and press bell button to get more notifications for next videos. So friends, let's start. NISCAIR, National Institute of Science, Communication and Information Resources. NISCAIR came into existence on October 1, 2002 following the merger of two CSIR institutions like Indian National Scientific Documentation Center SENDOC and National Institute of Science Communication NISCOM. In 2021, the institute was merged with the National Institute of Science, Technology and Development Studies to form National Institute of Science, Communication and Policy Research. Two important current national level projects of NISCAIR are TKDL and NSDL. Traditional Knowledge Digital Library TKDL, recognizing the need for and importance of documenting the existing knowledge available in public domain on various traditional systems of medicines. NISCAIR under CSIR, Ayush, Department of Ayurveda, Yoga and Naturopathy, Unani, Siddha and Homeopathy, and DIP, Department of Industrial Policy and Promotion, collaborated to establish Traditional Knowledge Digital Library TKDL on Ayurveda. TKDL includes search interface providing full text search and retrieval of TK information on International Patent Classification IPC and keywords in multiple languages. National Science Digital Library NSDL, under NSDL project, electronic access to digital resources of curriculum related material in science and technology will be provided to students in remote areas. NSDL will be implemented by NISCAIR with the active participation of UGC and Ministry of Human Resource Development. In the first phase, NSDL will cover the students of undergraduate level in Indian universities and colleges. DESIDOC, Defense Scientific Information and Documentation Center. DESIDOC started functioning in 1958 as Scientific Information Bureau SIB. It was a division of the Defense Science Laboratory DSL, which is presently called as Leisure Science and Technology Center LASTEC. The Defense Scientific Information and Documentation Center DESIDOC is a division of the Defense Research and Development Organization DRDO, which had its beginning in 1948, became a division of Scientific Information Bureau in 1959. The present director of DESIDOC is Dr. K. Nageswara Rao. Some publication of DESIDOCs are Defense Science Journal, DRDO Newsletter, DESIDOC Journal of Library and Information Technology, earlier DESIDOC Bulletin of Information Technology. SENDOC, Small Enterprises National Documentation Center. SENDOC was set up in 1970 at the Small Industries Extension Training Institute, now known as National Institute of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises, Hyderabad, to revitalize the micro, small and medium enterprises in India and developing countries by providing their record information. The objectives of the center are to collect, store and disseminate techno-managerial information pertaining to MSMEs and to conduct need and demand based training programs. Some services of SENDOC are interlibrary lending of documents, lending of books, reference services, preparation of bibliographies and literature search, newspaper clippings, etc. ENVIS, Environmental Information System. Recognizing the importance of environmental information for sustainable development and formulation of environmental management policies, Government of India set up ENVIS in 1982 under the Ministry of Environment and Forests (MOEF). Two main objectives of ENVIS are long-term objectives and short-term objectives. Long-term objectives of ENVIS are to build up a repository and dissemination center in environmental science and engineering, to gear up the modern technologies of acquisition, processing, storage, retrieval and dissemination of information of environmental nature, and to support and promote research, development and innovation in environmental information technology. Short-term objectives: to provide national environmental information service relevant to present needs and capable of development to meet the future needs of the users, originators, processors and disseminators of information. To build up storage, retrieval and dissemination capabilities with the ultimate objective of dissemination of information speedily to the users. Inclibnet, Information and Library Network. Inclibnet is helping in automation and modernization of university library system. It is providing universities high-speed line of accessing e-journals. It has become a major player in enhancing scholarly communication in India. Inclibnet development was started under University Grant Commission (UGC) in India in 1991. Initially, it was started as a project under Inter-University Center for Astronomy and Astrophysics (IUCAA). Inclibnet became an independent inter-university center in 1996. The headquarters of Inclibnet is situated in Ahmedabad, Gujarat. The present director is Professor J.P. Singh Jorel. Primary objectives of Inclibnet are to promote and establish communication facilities, to improve capabilities in information transfer and access, that provide support to scholarship, learning, research, etc. To linking libraries and information centers in universities deemed to be universities, colleges, UGC information centers, institutes of national importance, R&D institutions, etc. Activities of Inclibnet. The center has developed Windows-based library management software named SOL. The library automation package SOL is installed and required training is provided. SOL has been well received by the university libraries. UGC is modernizing universities' campuses with the state-of-the-art campus-wide network and setting up its own nationwide communication network named UGC Infotech. The center also assists participating libraries in database development, develop utility tools for retrospective conversion of union catalogs, develop software tools for multilingual database of union catalog, etc. To enhance the skills of university library staff for implementation of Inclibnet program, Center conducts several training programs and workshops on the application of computers in libraries and information services. Inclibnet Center, in collaboration with different universities, organizes a national convention caliber convention on automation of libraries in education and research every year. DELNET, Developing Library Network. DELNET, earlier known as Delhi Library Network till 2001, started in the year 1988 and registered as a society in 1991. Initially, it was sponsored by NISCAIR, DSIR, and currently is being promoted jointly by National Informatics Center (NIC), Department of Information Technology, Ministry of Communications and Information Technology, Government of India, and India International Center IIC, New Delhi. DELNET provides some useful software products, namely DELSys, a powerful library networking software, DELDOS for creating machine readable catalog records for books, DEL Plus, a stand-alone library management software for database creation and maintenance for OPAC, online public access catalog. And some services provided by DELNET are ILL online services, retrospective conversation, referral services, document delivery services, training programs, creation and maintenance of bibliographic databases, email services and internet connectivity services, etc. NICNET, National Informatics Center Network. NICNET stands for National Informatics Center Network. NICNET has institutional linkage across all the ministries and departments of the central government, state governments, union territories and district administration of the country. National Informatics Center (NIC) is an institution under the Government of India. NIC was established in 1976 under the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. It provides solutions in the area of e-governance, particularly for the sector that fall under Government of India. It supports NICNET. NICNET produces the enabling facilities for supporting added activities, projects and programs in the special work areas. Arnet, Education and Research Network. Arnet stands for Education and Research Network. The research and development projects are initiated by Arnet groups. The core groups of Arnet have worked towards the development of products and technology transfer to the industry. The following are some of ongoing projects of Arnet are: Wide Area Quality of Service Network Test Bed, bringing Europe's electronics infrastructure to expanding frontiers, setting up of vocational centers for skill creation for the disabled children in the area of information technology, community information centers with the fine. So friends, I hope this video is very fruitful for all of you. To get more videos and information regarding library and information science, kindly like and subscribe the channel. If you have any queries, please say on comment box and share this video to your friends. Before ending my video, friends, all of you can connect with me through these following links.